Now, will FPIs, foreign portfolio investors, pump in $60-70 billion this year in the Indian market? That is in the FPI debt and FPI equity. Is that likely? Let's have a look at it. These are month-wise FPI numbers. I will actually ask you to look at the table. Please look at this table where month-wise equity and debt numbers are there from June 20. Okay, so during October 21 till June 22, every month there used to be outflow. After that, it turned positive, negative, mixed. And before that, during post-COVID, huge amount of money came that led to rally. So equity this year with Nifty at almost all-time high and recessionary environment around the world, interest rate being high, is very unlikely it will attract a huge amount of foreign capital. It is very unlikely that it will attract this kind of inflows. It will, I mean, even if I assume that there will be no massive outflows or periodic outflows will be matched by the periodic inflows, but huge amount of inflow is unlikely. So that is FPI equity. FPI debt, the very important factor to watch is the carry trade. India was a recipient of dollar and foreign currencies because of the high interest rates. So India's forward premium, which reflects kind of the interest rate differential between two countries, with dollar used to be around 4%. Now it has come down to 2.3%. The interest rate differential has come down significantly, and that makes INR less attractive from the bond point of view. I mean, if you have a dollar fund and you want to put in a bond, do you really want to put in Indian bond for 7% interest, especially when US is giving you 5%? The attractiveness is less. I'm not saying it's not there, but it has come down. So we do not think a huge amount of inflow will come into India on the FPI equity and debt amount. And given it's a very simple equation, honestly, we did a 20-year analysis of which macroeconomic factors influence dollar rupee the most, and trade deficit is the most important factor. So if you have huge amount of deficit, the money has to either come from foreign investments, that is the capital account, or it has to come from RBI. Will RBI be able to continuously pump in annually around $80 billion reserve depletion to sustain dollar rupee? They will not. They will feel jittery. The market participants will feel jittery. It is unlikely. RBI will intervene to support. So I feel broadly 85, 86 kind of level is expected on dollar rupee in the medium term. We can expect some stability in the short term because there is a global stability.